message for Jack. Jack, Chin, and Claire, miss namin kayo. Especially pag ganitong may party. I can see that you have a very nice and beautiful family. And maganda si Chin, maganda si Claire, pogi si Jack. I hope this will always continue. More progress for this coming years. Bye-bye, Jack.
Hindi pa nga naka-record.
Sandali.
Okay, pakiulit si Mama pa. Ma,
nag-uunahan sila. Na-treat ka kasi they all miss you, especially Georgie. Would like also one day to be in the United States with your family. Me, I'm looking forward to visiting you again. Happy birthday. And take care of your family.
oh, ikaw na.
Happy birthday, Jack! Sorry, nakalimutan namin mag-text sa'yo.
Ay!
Ako nag-text ako.
Lele, would you like to greet Tito Jack?
You talk to Tito Jack.
Come on.
Say hi to Cousin Claire.
Show your teeth.
Hi, Claire.
Hi, Tito Jack.
Hi, Cousin Claire and Tita Chin and Tito Jack.
We miss you in our party.
We miss you in our party. And I have a different kind of tea.
She's bungi in Tagalog. Okay, what can you say to Tito Jack?
Hi, Tito Jack.
Ang simple, no?
Kanta na kami.
Sige.
Oh, yeah.
Jack, we need something from you. Alam mo na kung ano. Alam mo ba yan?
May message siya. May message Jack sa'yo. Tito Jack! Help! Hi, Tito Jack. Happy birthday. This is Miggy. Miggy. Sana makapunta na kami dyan agad. Miss you.
Miggy ka dito. Miggy. Hindi naman.
Tito Jack, ang sarap ng isaw.
Thank you, Shai.
Ang sarap ng isaw, wala nito sa inyo.
Pagkain lang.
Tito Jack, kakambal ko yun eh. Thank you, Tito Jack.
Si Jay.
Gustavo, hello Jack. Say Jack, sana nandito ka. Daming pagkain.
Yan lang.
Jack.
Ikaw.
Meron pa?
Wala na po. Tama na.
May message. Hindi ka marinig kasi.
Dito ka.
Dito ka.